guys, I had to come back the next day after editing and insert clips like this into the video of me kind of explaining things. So anytime you see a clip like this, it will just be me kind of going back and explaining to you guys what's going on. We had a really good first day, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. The plane was supposed to leave at like 10:30, and of course we kind of got there on Cayla and Ashley time, which is maybe 10:45, but I honestly think 15 minutes is fashionably late. We kept him wondering. Gotta go! Got a jet. I know you guys are wondering, but I'm actually not sponsored by Cheetos. This area is just the area once you get off the jet and you essentially go back into the airport. They just ask you to fill out forms like customs forms and a form for the dog. So this is what it looks like.
After you.
Because things are a little bit weird right now with the border situations and all that, we had to have a friend drive us instead of our typical driver. We finally reached the house. I'll give you guys a quick tour of what my room here in Mexico looks like. This is a room that I always get to stay in. It's my fave, so yeah, check it out. Well, we just smuggled ourselves through the border. This is my usual room. The first thing Dustin said to me is that I need to get a tan. So that's cool. We'll see if I get tan here. Now I'm just going to insert some of the clips from when we very first got here.
Tell me how you feel. Starving, a little stressed after that.
here are some clips from dinner time. After dinner, we hadn't seen each other in maybe like 2 weeks, so we kind of just like played some games and caught up and then tried to do some dance routines.
They're good chips.
No,
Yeah. Yes. Let's go on. Let's do it.
we're not doing that.
And wood chips, and they're chips that
And I'm gonna throw you in a wood chip.
See, but the best chips are friendships, and may they always be. So the first night of quarantine.
First night of quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.